welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be a review slash demo on Derma Suction Pore Cleaning Device. जब मैंने इसको Nykaa पे देखा and I saw so many good reviews with pictures, I was like, I need this in my life. It's been quite some time that I have this. I've tried this, I've tested it, and I've used it enough to tell you guys what I feel about this. But before starting this video, if you're somebody who's watching this face for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. नीचे एक red color का subscribe button है, उस पर click कर दो. Also click on the grey little notification bell right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So follow me on Instagram. This is my handle right here. This is how my Instagram looks like, and yeah, let's get started. The Derma Suction Pore Cleaning Device that I have is by Bronson's Professional. I got mine from Nykaa.com. It originally retails for 1,000 rupees and it was on a 55% off, so I got it for 450 rupees, and that was the main reason कि मैं उसकी तरफ खिंचती चली गई. Like Indian discount दिख गई, so I just went ahead and picked it up. Also, I still went ahead to watch a couple of reviews and YouTube पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने बोला that it works, and नीचे भी product के नीचे भी there were so many reviews that talk about this product being super good. There were some good pictures. I don't know. I would insert the pictures right here. I don't know like उनको कैसे ये result मिला. But coming back to the product, this is how the product looks like. It comes in a box like this, and when you open up the box, you get this plastic sheet जिसके अंदर सारी चीज़ें बैठी हुई होती हैं, and there was like a covering on this which I happened to lose. Once you open up the product, this is how it actually looks like. This is like the actual vacuum suction creating wala device, and you need 2 batteries in this so that it can function. Basically it comes with 2 levels. One is a very milder level, like the level 1 is very mild, it's very gentle, it's more of everyday sort of cleansing, and level 2 becomes a little more vigorous. That's more of a really nice deep cleansing. अगर आपको चाहिए then you can go ahead for the level 2. Moving on, it comes with these attachments. Like there are 4 different attachments that you sort of fixed onto this main body of the device and use them up. It comes with 4 different attachments, each attachment having a different definite purpose. The oval head attachment is known to get rid of wrinkles, it's known to like smoothen out skin, it's known to smoothen out fine lines. It is also known to stimulate blood circulation. The next attachment that we have is the small head. The small head is known to unclog the pores and even out the skin. It is also known to work on blemishes and reduce the scarring that you have after pimples. The small head is specially known to work on sensitive skin. The next attachment that we have is the large head. The large head gives a lot more suction than the small head, like the name says it all. It's really known to deeply cleanse your pores, to create a stronger suction. Also it is known to help in massaging the areas of the body. So if you really want to have some suction on your hand, then you can use the large head and it would do so. Okay, then we have the sonic head. It is known to gently clear up the skin and also helps in exfoliation, thereby cleaning up the dead skin. Now this is something that I'm not saying. Nykaa's description of this particular product says so. Now that I've talked what Nykaa has to say about this product, let's see what the box itself claims. Derma Suction is the new way to clean pores. It gently removes blackheads and dirt from pores on your face without squeezing. The secret is the powerful yet gentle vacuum that pulls dirt and oils out of your skin, leaving your skin feeling clean and youthful. So suck the yuck out of your pores with Derma Suction today. Interesting. Now that I have talked a lot about this product, you might be intrigued to know that how exactly it works. So let's move on to the demo. For the demo part, as I told you guys, the device comes with 4 different attachments, and I'll be using the larger head for the demo. Because the larger head is known to work for stubborn whiteheads and blackheads, and that's what I have. So the attachment is on the device now, and I'll just switch it on so you could hear the vibrations now. I'll take the device really close to my mic so that you're able to clearly hear that the device is vibrating. Now I'll show you the suction on my hand. I hope you guys could clearly see how is the suction working. Now let's work on this nose. My nose feels so much red and this was slightly painful, I would say. बिल्कुल भी पेनलेस ये नहीं था, थोड़ा बहुत पेन डेफिनेटली हुआ. Now coming to the part that it really extracted my whiteheads or not. First things first, my nose does feel a little bit more smoother, but I do not see any like gunk or whiteheads coming out in the attachment. थोड़ा बहुत evening out मुझे definitely feel हो रही है, but nothing major seen in the attachment. जैसे बहुत सारे videos में and बहुत सारे what you could say pictures में, reviews में आपको नायका पे दिखेगा. I would put the picture somewhere right here. Nothing like that happens. I just want to clear and put it out that आपके जो online videos हैं which show that a lot of gunk and waste materials and dirt is coming out of your pores and this is the device that removes it. I am sorry, nothing like that happens if you use this derma section by Bronson's Professional. I can literally bet on this. I have tried all 4 attachments and nothing comes out. Trust me, nothing comes out. So I would like to tell you that it does not does anything major. However, थोड़ा बहुत smoothing आप feel कर सकते हो आपके skin पे because of the suction that it creates. A little amount of blood circulation does happen. So I think that that is the reason you feel a little bit of smoothing, a little bit of evening out. But literally sucking the gunk out of your pores, literally getting the whiteheads out, if that is something that you're expecting out of this product, then I'm sorry, this is not going to give you that. I wasted 450 rupees of my life and I just feel so sad. It's not really about the price, it's really about my hard-earned money. I'm that sort of a person जो एक रुपया भी मेहनत का waste नहीं जाने देता. So 450 is like a huge deal for me. Anyways, now that I know that this doesn't work, I really want to tell you that this doesn't work. It's more of a gimmick and it literally does nothing. No amount of gunk, no amount of anything comes out of your pores, no matter what attachment you use, no matter what cell you use, no matter how you use this device. I have literally tried so many different things with this device and it did not work. I feel a pore strip worth rupees 40-50 does a better job, or the blackhead remover thing जो एक स्टील का मेटल का मटेरियल वाला चीज़ आता है that is used to scrape off your whiteheads does a better job. So I also like to add on that when you first use it a couple of times, you would see that it does leave a little bit of redness on your nose. It does leave your nose a little bit red. That may be because your skin is sensitive, or that may be because a lot of blood circulation is happening, or maybe that your skin is not used to such an abrasive treatment. So it might take some time to adjust. However, rubbing up some eyes or just putting some aloe vera gel or just literally not doing anything should solve your issue. But still try using it on your hands and legs first and like feel if the suction is like good enough for you to bear, then only go ahead and use it on your face. Let's just sum up this video into a pros and a cons fashion. Pro number 1, that it's a relatively cheap product. I would say it comes on discount quite often. I think it is available on discounted price on Nykaa and Amazon as well. I'm not really sure क्योंकि जब मैंने खरीदा था मुझे तो 55% off पे मिला था. I'm not sure if that discount is available. If it is, I would put the link in the description box below. Pro number 2, that it does help in little bit of evening out. It does help in getting rid of some superficial texture. यानी कि it will definitely help you to scrape off a couple of whiteheads and उससे आपका skin थोड़ा बहुत smooth लगता है. That's literally it that it does. Pro number 3, that it runs on batteries. So once you have the batteries in, you can literally carry it everywhere and you do not need a switch or a cable to make it work. So yeah, that's a pro. Now let's move on to the cons. Con number 1 is it literally does nothing. I mean, it does help in evening out the texture. It does help in scraping out a couple of whiteheads. But if I'm investing 450 rupees on this product, I would want it to do something major to my skin. I would want it to do something that helps in clearing out my pores, but it literally doesn't do that. Con number 2 is it does work on batteries. So if I'm traveling with it and the battery runs out, there is no source, there's no way that I can make use of it, because if I don't have the batteries available with me at that time, there is no alternative cable or some sort of cord that can make it work. So that's a con. Number 3, it does leave a little bit redness on the nose, which can be an issue for people who are like using it on events or functions. So you might want to use it a couple of days before the event or the function. That's 3 pros versus 3 cons, so you can decide for yourself if you really want this product in your life. But if you ask me, I would say it is a big time no, because this is something that you do not need in your life. This is something you have it or you don't, it doesn't really make a difference. Get yourself some Face Shop's pore strips, like the volcanic nose strips. They work magical, they are super good, and they do a really good job in getting rid of whiteheads. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram. This is my handle right here. This is how my Instagram looks like. And let me know in the comment section what other videos you want me to do. And I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Lots of love.